How to download and install Epson 2760 driver. To download and install the Epson 2760 driver for your printer, here are some steps you can follow. Visit the Epson support website and select your operating system from the drop-down menu. You will see a list of available drivers and utilities for your printer. Download the file that matches your needs. For example, if you want to install the printer driver and scanner driver, you can download the drivers and utilities combo package installer. If you only need the printer driver, you can download the printer driver. Double-click the downloaded file to run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You may need to connect your printer to your computer with a USB cable during the process. Once the installation is finished, you can print and scan with your Epson 2760 printer. If you have any problems or questions, you can refer to the installation guide or the user's guide for more details. You can also contact Epson customer support for further assistance.